We need to stop voting these people into office that want to take away our traditions and take away our hunting rights or our ability to manage our own state and be able to pass on our traditions to our grandsons and granddaughters and generations that will come up behind us. They come here from away and they believe that they know better. They look at us Mainers as stupid, dumb people, and we possibly can't manage our own affairs. That's why they send in millions of dollars being flooded in this state right now to fund campaigns that want to take away your rights. So I'm going to say this one last time. Mainers, wake up. Wake up and let's kick this crap to the curb. And we don't need their millions of dollars flowing in this state. We know exactly what we need. We've done it here for hundreds of years. At the end of this video, I'll put you in some links to more topics about the great state of Maine. There'll be 3 of them. I also have a round circle back there. I'm standing next to a bear. Click that bear if you'd like to subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to meeting you, and come along with me to the state of Maine.